we're going to be making ginger chicken karahi. So let's see what ingredients we have to use. So we've got some chicken which we're going to keep in the water for 10 minutes so that it can soften. We've also got these vegetables which we're going to chop while we're waiting for the chicken. So over here we've got some chilies, we've got 3 tomatoes, 2 onions and a lot of ginger. We've also got some coriander. So we've also got lots of ingredients, so yeah. So let's get started. So let's add our garlic paste. And our ginger paste as well. So now we're going to mix it. We didn't add any oil into this dish, so now I'm going to put our lid onto this and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. our chicken to be overcooked at like the start. Back on. So let's lift the lid. Okay, so this is how it's looking. As you can see, it's still bubbling a bit hot. So it's time for us to add our other ingredients as well. I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of nigella seeds. There. Now I'm going to add some turmeric powder, which is called haldi in Urdu. This is also going to be half. We will add half of white pepper powder. Then we will add cumin seeds, which is one as well. This is called zira in Urdu, and this is one as well. Next we will be adding dhania powder, which is crushed, and it's coriander powder, that's one as well. So here you go, add it in. Now we'll be adding 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder. So here's one, here's half. Okay. So just to remind you, we have still not added any salt yet, but that's just to remind you we'll add some later. Now we're going to mix it. So we're going to stir it, and we're going to add all these ingredients, and it's looking good, and it's very colourful, so it's looking good. So just make sure to mix all the spices well and fry it. So we're not going to add the lid, and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to stir it. खुशबू बहुत अच्छा है, which means the smell is very nice, so it's looking good. And yeah, so we're going to keep it like this. So we're going to add half a cup of water, and then stir. So now we're going to leave it. We're not going to add the lid on because we want the water to dry. And yeah, so just going to leave it like this. So the water is all dry now. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of double cream. Okay. Then we're going to add some yogurt, which is 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Mix this. So we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of salt. So we're going to add it. The lid. Okay. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper powder. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Give this a stir. The smell is getting better and we feel like nearly ready, so the colors are changing and the spices look nice and yeah, looks good. It depends on how much gravy you like. So we like to have like lots of gravy, and it actually depends on how much yogurt you put in. So if you like a lot of gravy, then you can put a lot of yogurt. If you like less gravy, then you can put less yogurt. So the food actually looks really creamy and I'm excited to taste it. We've also got to add ginger and done it, so let's go. Now I'm going to add all of these green chilies. Then we're going to add this ginger, but we're going to add only half. Give this another stir. So it's going to be a lot of taste, as you can see from the ingredients we've added. We've got chilies, we've got ginger, and we've got like other ingredients and masalas, so it's probably going to have lots of taste to it. But a final stir to make sure all the ingredients have been nicely mixed, the whole dish, so that's all the taste is everywhere. Now we're going to off our stove and look up. There we go. Almost ready. So now for our garnishing, we have some dhania or coriander. I'm going to put this all around our dish. Okay, now this is ginger chicken karahi, so we need a lot of ginger. So we're going to add a lot of ginger. That looks like enough. So there you have it. Our ginger chicken karahi is ready.
Right up on Dadima's kitchen.
Today we made a ginger chicken karahi and we're just going to try it. So it's a review of how it tasted and inshallah
I'll
it'll be
try
very
water
nice.
first.
Bismillah.
It
Not going to
left
take the
water,
chilies.
but it was too
Here,
cold. We have fried chicken for veggies and seasoning veggies, and this is what I'm gonna do.
actually it's very nice.
First,
Didn't expect it to be this good, but
chicken,
very happy of how it turned out. So thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and bye for now.
Bye! Bye!
See this?
Strike the McKellen and hit the bell button.